I'm Suzanne, she, they, and I'm really excited to be here for a sampler, a taster, body electric experience. I think you're going to love it. I love the idea of a taster. What better way to get introduced to the beautiful work of body electric? If you've heard of body electric and you've maybe thought about participating in an in-person event, and maybe it just feels like, I'm not quite ready for that, I'm not sure. This is a great way from the privacy of your own home or wherever you choose to log in to get a sample, to get a sense of what this is all about. I mean, this work is particularly hard to put into words. It's highly experiential, really something you have to take a step. And this is a small step without a huge monetary or time commitment. Come on in. Join us for a little while and get a sense of what this beautiful erotic work is all about. Yet thinking about doing an erotic exploration or erotic experience online feels like really? Are you sure? But surprisingly, it does work. And it works because this is about autonomous eroticism. This isn't about your experience with another person. This isn't about a transaction. This isn't necessarily even a give and take. This is about you. It's just amazing how much sensation and pleasure we can bring to ourselves through simple acts like the most basic, primal, beautiful act of being this complex organism. Really exploring ourselves, if we gave that much attention to having these dates with ourselves. So what you might expect at a taster is an opportunity to engage in some very simple practices of breath, movement, choice, touch, experiencing what it is like to give full attention to yourself, to really pay attention to yourself as the most amazing lover you've ever had. So please join us. This is a wonderful opportunity for a sampler, a taster.